believe I am recording.
How many?
People they got? Cool. Whatever. Hi guys!
We should just
It could be worse.
Yeah, it really could. Alright. I wonder if I should just take my Thunder Bee out and just chuck it as soon as the game starts.
You can. It's a bit kind of.
Yeah, I know.
It's like take her with a flash grenade. Oh, I can't do that right.
Yeah.
What if you pick?
You can't do it overhead.
Huh?
You can't throw grenades overhead. Oh.
What about around the corner and hit them?
Yeah, it's fine.
Alright. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to make it, so.
That's a drill hole in them. Drill holes. You're smoke right at the start.
Yeah, yeah, they didn't come yet. I was hoping they would be here.
Dude, he's got a Kimbo pistol.
Hey, where's that kid with that little gun? This is his mag. I'll find him.
Tiny ass man.
Yeah, dude.
Just give it to him and
Yeah, he's got like a little sidearm. It's in his admin pouch.
It's my point surrender gun.
Yeah, those ones. Semi, guys. Alright.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna go straight for that building. Somebody like cover this window so I can get in there. Alright, watch out.
Alright, game goes live in 3, 2, 1, fire! Everyone on the left.
Everybody's over here.
Right here at the corner, man. Right here at the
Hit! I don't know. Somebody just got me in the back, though. Hey, Tucker! You doing respawns? Hey, did you pop your knee?
Yeah. Popped out. It's the 7th time it's did that.
Really? Wow, dude.
It's always when I crouch down and I loosen my leg up, it just wants to pop out on its own.
Wow.
Snaps back in.
That was you? Yeah, I was like, how did I get shot in the back?
I know, I just saw like a backpack and I was like,
Yeah.
See, I have a helmet camera in here, but it's a GoPro.
Yeah, see, I just gotta rig my camera. I just I prefer to go buy a actual helmet cam.
If you want, the thing with the GoPros, there's one that comes with the camera, but that's like $300.
Yeah.
It's insane. I just bought the standard, which is like.
Yeah, I bought a replica Ops Core night vision helmet. Night vision mount. What?
What's fun?
Yeah, I'll put it on YouTube. I have a team called Fear Airsofting. Oh, switch sides. Alright. Nice, dude.
hey, Cam! Cam got shot in the finger.
Hey, you're on the other team.
Oh, yeah.
I'm thinking go left, maybe?
I think if we just go up as far as we can and then just keep on moving. We can't sit back, because every time we sit back, they move up.
Yeah. So maybe like a couple guys go this way, and I think.
You can't go there.
Yeah, I mean, you can move up to this building right here, and keep this corner covered.
pistols, huh? You have to stay in the back of the building, so you can't go.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna go to this corner right here.
Yeah, I'm moving that way. I don't know.
I'm sticking with my bro.
Yeah.
Camera on?
Yeah, it's all. It's on.
How long video does it go for?
I don't know.
You're like pointing at the sky half the time.
What? No, we're going to the left.
Yeah! Yeah!
Sorry. Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Shit. You got him?
I got him in the butt. I got shot 3 times there.
Yeah, dude, I don't know what that was. Whatever.
Fuck, that's some CQB if I've ever seen any.
Somebody just started thunder? Nice job, dude.
Oh shit.
Hey, whoa. Hey, don't worry.
Oh
We're
shit.
good.
Have fun, Jason.
Alright, game over.
Good job, guys.
I think we're outnumbered.
Huh?
Are those goggles sealed?
No, these are glass.
Yeah. Ooh, keep them on.
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta have full seal goggles and you gotta have something covering your face. Like the cloth right there is fine.
Alright.
If you're out here, you gotta have them on at all times.
Alright.
Goggles on your head, you have to pop down.
Okay.